Roxanne, it's gotta be it.
Action. Yeah, pull up in the white ghost like I'm Casper. Never switch. I stay 10 toes on the mission.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lola if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few cute ways to style your mini twists or your mini braids. I really enjoy doing mini twists and mini braids because I feel like they're super versatile and you can do so many different styles with them. And all you really need are a few hairbands and some bobby pins. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So if you'd like to see me create these cute styles, then keep on watching.
I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Changes around like an ocean in my head.